In this Gen Chem 1 video, we're going to work a problem on the law of multiple proportions. Let's get started. Element A forms two different compounds with element B. The table contains information about these compounds. What is the formula of compound 2? So we look at our table. It's given us two compounds, and both of them, they've provided formulas for these two compounds. Compound 1's formula is AB3. Compound 2's formula is incomplete because we don't know how many atoms of B are in this formula. We also have the mass of B per gram of atom A. So we need to set up a mathematical expression to solve for X. So what we're going to do is set up sort of a ratio. I'm going to write that off to the side. So we're going to take the mass of atom B per gram of atom A, and we'll put that over, and this is for compound 1, and we'll put that over the same information for compound 2. Then we're going to set this equal to the number of atoms of B in compound 1, which is 3. And we don't know the atoms of B in compound 2. That's X. So we'll set that here as X. We got all of this information from this table. So now the next thing that we need to do is solve. We just solve for X. So we do that by cross multiplying. So the first step is to cross multiply. Once we do that, we get an equation. 4.58x is equal to 8.49 because 3 times 2.83 is 8.49. So now we can simplify this even further by dividing both sides by 4.58. And we do that so that we can get x on the side of the equal sign by itself. And now we can finally solve for x. And you should get that x is equal to 1.85. If you round this up, you get 2. So our final answer would then be AB2. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your questions and your comments below, and follow Amakemist on social media. See you next time.